Welcome everyone. Just need to switch use. Why do I? Alright, this is for how convenient. Anyway, use Sway, they said the future of Wayland. Anyway, let me just move that to. Does it move like? Oh man. Anyway, I can replace that because I don't need that. Anyway, so yeah, new version of Firefox is out. 86. This improved print support. No, I'm not kidding, but certainly more importantly, picture-in-picture. What did I put into the title? Something as text smash. And alright, cookie jar stuff for cookie isolation, which, like, why was this not done in the last 2 decades? But text smash protector, we also wonder what that wasn't activated, also probably as per patches on the mailing list, certainly aware of that. Thank you for that, the graver there. Anyway, yeah, patches from the mailing list still to be sorted. Not the super highest priority because now security is obviously for us coming soon. No, it's not for us, it's obviously security here, but let's update that. Alright, I could also, this probably will result in some drop frames. Could have done that previously. Firefox 86.0, oh no, 0, maybe 86, that's loading even halfway, but yeah, this, no. Right, and as per usual, the drop frames not brought to you by Vodafone Germany's failing DOCSIS cable infrastructure. So it's, anyway, 2.75 Mbit only because failing shared DOCSIS cable medium and 100, 280, 300, obviously going up now. Yeah. Anyway, I could live stream over LTE, but not doing this each day. Want to prove a point that Vodafone is still failing infrastructure. But we downloaded this already. We could, yeah, this will recompress unfortunately in some seconds. Actually, we could. So this is now this FS as per previous video, Linux kernel 5.11.1 also out, with also fix for proxy PU info, which is why we need to cut that. But yeah, 4.6. I should actually, this will be when we sometime soon. I hope these are the famous last words. Last random live streams. No, some to come with live Linux work, but microkernel stuff soon. I actually wonder with this modern CPUs, that is always in the implementation details where very few people look into how that actually works in terms of this, how the operating system controls that and gets feedback, what is actually the actual boost frequency. But now looking into that another day, which probably very few people except the authors of the Linux kernel module did there. Okay, so this probably recompressed now, or so much to scrolling. So we need to disable. I'm pretty sure some patches will not apply. So last time it also took like 30 minutes just to rediff stuff. Our temp.fs is already out. How convenient. For the raw chances, just builds with verbose. Drop frames 514, and people thought this. Yeah, Vodafone cable. Yeah. Anyway, let's see how far this goes. Because we have here, this what the patches apply. So much to they phased out Flash support and stuff because we patched GTK2 away. For those who are new to this channel, we did this previously. Probably the only distribution compiling this without old vintage GTK2 support, which is only needed for the, what is their internal name, the NS API or something of Netscape, old-fashioned X11 API stuff. And we patch that away since just a month, mostly for, it's of course extra work. It's, in my opinion, always nice to have that without the up and down dependencies, but for our ISO, reduces a couple of packages and build time and ISO size and stuff. Why install GTK2 on our ISO, like minimal Xorg stuff for PS3 and SJectane and UX86 stuff to play along at home, when we could just patch this away. So let's move that over, and let's not the super greatest fan of shuffling this workspaces around. Anyway, let's see. This is from the other Horizon, because obviously we have 3950X and 5950X here. So this is Firefox. So surprisingly, I actually expected to rediff the patches again, because you would think eventually they rip out their vintage retro drop frames. 6%, yeah, 2.75 Mbit, in case you're wondering how much failing Vodafone is. You would think they rip out their GTK2 support eventually, but probably not yet. And while we wait for that, let's take a look here what if we finally build, because this is new strapping a new sandbox, and somehow we have here always, why does this still fail? This is Pango. Why did Pango fail? Pango is generating, so this is some really annoying G-object. C is amazing, obviously not assembler macro presser needing G-object introspection stuff for dynamic binding stuff. What is failing here? Not even, couldn't find a half bus. So probably half bus didn't build with G-object. Maybe we just with G-object introspection. Maybe it's just some chicken and egg circular dependency stuff of half bus. But in my opinion, really annoying. This vintage C code modern stuff should of course have reflection and introspection built in. 1300 drop frame. So this should theoretically go over LTE if I network routed that correctly. So half bus, let's see, does this have no 0? Oh, we could have actually increased the bitrate. I lowered this. Yeah, 2021. You use 3 point something Mbit. You know, let's go fancy pants here and stream with 3.5 Mbit over LTE, because what could possibly go wrong? 3005. And then you see the difference of beautiful, not paid advertisement O2 LTE versus failing, over the air shared medium 2021. More performant than the shared coax cable. So, what did we do there? Half bus, did I Pango? I think Pango was what failed. Yeah, the recurring theme of C, they got this not clutch over glorified macro assembler preprocessor kind of sorta. This is also why I'm still struggling. Thank you very much. Generating Pango. Oh wait, actually I wanted to check the log file whether G-object, maybe we still don't have intro, but we have introspection, so what did fail now? $116 of can't get help, all info from help to men. Open source infrastructure in 2021. At least LTE, O2 LTE works. Help to men. So this is with the latest help to men, so can't help all from Pango view. Try no discard. If option outputs the standard error, freaking what the heck. Maybe no. Can't make this stuff up. This is also, in my opinion, not a. Also theoretically, theoretically, I don't. I want the sorting slightly differently. This was just automatically injecting that. So probably what we want here is no doc stuff. Disable. Yeah, let's. We don't have tar. In my opinion, this probably, my guesstimate is, that's not opinion, my guesstimate is that this probably occurs the same on all distributions, probably not a T2 thing, it's probably just two new packages have the latest stuff of everything. It's also an old tar version. Probably should emerge missing only tar to have automagic set standard stuff. So yeah, the Ryzen, the fan is still on hyperventilation mode, turbo boosting to 4.5 something according to this. If that is accurate, I don't know, maybe something. And yeah, just for my convenience, I could have set standard Z to pipe Z into set standard decompress and set unstandard, but improving life quality for me a tiny little bit. Of course, it's always nice to have an old tar version just to double check the T2 stuff bootstraps with an old tar version, but there's only so much. I tested that probably enough now, and probably people don't have such a vintage tar version. So what are we? Oh, this is already Meson. Okay, options. Doc. Also, yeah, all the new fancy pants build system stuff. And do we have here GTK doc build AP reference Pango using? Nah, maybe it's that. Who knows? Maybe it's not. VI. Let's VI that. And the latest and greatest thread ripping AMD Ryzen, faster to build errors. Only on this channel, Varapan Meson opt, probably -D. What would this currently be? False. It's also that changes on a quarterly basis. Whether it's currently no false, capital, lowercase. Yeah, we could also do some public service and go through more of this. Simultaneously watching multiple video in pictures, like who the freaking heck is actually doing that. But yeah, it is nice if you wanna like certainly follow our channel. This unfortunately still happens. Like say you would wanna watch our Linux in-depth low-level code stuff here and follow some SpaceX or NASA interplanetary landing stuff or something of that sort. Doc, so GTK false. This was maybe not that GTK. Doc off. Help to man. Nah. Grab man in Meson. Help false. Something. This enable test. Help false. Fallback. Yeah. I really miss the days when freaking stuff just built. But men help. Can't make this stuff up. Man, good job, Linux stuff. Happy that you enjoyed that. So then help to men. So what did this say? Notice cuts option output to standard error. I have no idea where this freaking stuff output something to. Maybe keep source and tempfs. Try that again. As always. Also, are we probably compiling? Yeah, this is probably. Yeah, this is also why I don't. All turbo sets mentioned this in the previous live stream. For this long single threaded. Also, people on Twitter, the famous of Rust is amazing, and then obviously not people on Twitter like, yeah, Rust heavily multi-threaded. It's like, yeah, not for me. Not sure if it has some enabled threading, whatever, something, but at least the way it builds here, like 100% single-threaded linking or whatever LTO optimizing it is doing there, and which probably for my case, whatever all core turbo overclock we would get, that's why for energy saving and single thread boosting reasons. In case you're wondering, 4.7, yeah, so much to 7.5 gigahertz turbo boosting. So faster to build errors. Let's see what's going on here. But yeah, this is also, why is this not some less whatever. So this is utils Pango viewer generating with command Pango text viewer of, I guess this one. Sorry. All this day and night. If you want to support this stuff of the day only is 24 hours and can't work all nights and weekends too, there's this more main channel with membership and Patreon if you find this amazing. The graver there, according to the rest, most of the compilers not parallel represents opportunity improving the performance as of work on explicit parallelizing compiler stalled and try out the current parallel compiling work enabled. The one can try out the current parallel compiler work. So much to that, but yeah, the usual Twitter and thanks for that. Appreciate that fact checking, but just the usual. I think one of the last videos triggered there some Rust people of commenting, which is of course amazing. But again, this tweets didn't match my experience here, and but just the usual Rust is amazing until you look too closely. Then anyway, so let's see what's going on here. Does it? This is also lib font config can't open, so this is maybe why this ain't working. Interesting. Why would that be LDD? This is probably why this is failing. Lib font config. That should be there. Why does it? Maybe this is our own font config. Is it trying X11 or so much to testing and the most testing also? Do I really need to work on? Oh wait, why is this? This is even hard coded. Interesting. Then it's not even our globbing. Actually, why do we not use globbing here? Okay, maybe we don't have any other, maybe not to randomly glob other stuff. Okay, then it's not even our own. Why is it then not, or is there not a symlink of user x11? So, oops. Maybe some build error made that not a symlink. That is of course slightly annoying then. That sucks. Probably should work on making the symlinking thing less error prone and yeah, no, it's just RMRF, or you know what? Let's do that probably differently and properly uninstall all the stuff in var. Also, then we uninstalling doesn't clear the log file for. Okay, then let's do both and requires. This is why we do you some on-the-fly Unix shell scripting, which in my opinion a little bit forgotten art, and what all serious non-Windows users of Linux fame and fans should probably master var adm flist. So if we grab in user x11 here, we should hopefully, so how to do this properly? Well, with the meta, this is why we love the plain text for metadata information here. Cut delimiter colon field 1, pipes this to unique, and then for f for package in for while read package do. I usually test this one by one because alright, this is also package. No, you know what? I usually do just do one letter and just for the readability, and then this would be echo mine. We want to mine deinstall this, so mine rf, maybe for both if we wanted to, and rm the log file. This would be logs 5 package, doesn't matter what, log or error, with verbose and f. This already deleted, no, deleted that not package.error. Why did we only had, we should have had here log 2 package, no? Log 5, maybe we didn't hit the rebuild stage yet because we are recompiling it, that could be. And then also let's run this here, rmf, just so that we have a somewhat clean state. Let's see here, x11, this should be, except some very, whatever, that's fine, whatever, rm, rf, this x11, this is mostly empty, and ln, let's do this already, so that this is now fixed here. Where is it even? LSR x11, there's x11 voices. Maybe we are also, maybe we should just, why is this not, is this alphabetically listed capital first? No, okay, fine, whatever. The more you know. Then let's try that again. Probably should, you know what, let's hope for the best and already enable that keep source, no tempfs. And Firefox also built, amazing stuff, didn't even expect that. That was an easy one, but this is how we like it and how it should be. It's 86, probably one of the first distributions, maybe, except FreeBSD, which DeGraver recently said shipped this already. Also, yeah, we actually have here some, I shouldn't commit this, this is not finalized Firefox desk. I slightly wonder, this is Dex Smash Protector thing, also we could test that. Let's quit that, Firefox with Wayland, and check the freaking about thing here of 86, amazing stuff. What was amazing stuff, just that I don't know. Super close, was it? Nah, what was close window, darn. etc sway, because it is the desktop, the 21st century Linux desktop. Usability, close. Window, kill the focus. Mod Shift Q, obviously, maybe. Let's hope that is the right thing. Mod Shift Q. There we go. Just that now we lost the history recently. Oops, no, history recently closed. What? Why is this recently closed? What? Why is this fully empty? Yes, thank you very much. Maybe not saved between browser versions of Why should this work? It's not like... Anyway, this was here. Release notes. What else do we have here? Also, did this xproto? So much to... did we uninstall this? Maybe let's rm. Let's continue the build. Let's see, this shouldn't be that much. And reference Firebird, no, this was Pango. NX comp, old-fashioned stuff. Let's update our to-do here of making the making stuff less error prone. I've seen a couple of failures like this already. This should be, if just for my own convenience, also Pango, huh? Why do we not have xproto, xau? Should this not have been cleanly rebuilt? Did I really mess up the shell scripting there? Do we still have this in the scrollback? Not sure what scrollback xproto. Yeah, why are not we? Shit, did I not correctly? Okay, let's see. This is mostly stuff we don't need. Fonts, more fonts. NVIDIA stuff. Thank you very much for this garbage. So xproto is apparently the only series package. Let's manual. So much to script this properly and still messing it up live on this channel. Other channels drop CPUs and roll over them. We only mess up. Hopefully our shell scripting and not also. This was wrong. Speaking of CPUs, right? If you are into this kind of just a casual 3600 or so, coming up live to the More Life channel, in case you are into vintage and retro gear or want to follow on Instagram for either one-pot cooking, other barbecue, or CPU, precious collectible CPU photos. So yeah, that is done. That is done. Let's continue. What did we fail a second ago? This was Pango, of course, Pango. Oops. So let's continue there and RM that again and hope this time that works. I think we're mostly through. I also need to rush as usual here at this time of, yeah, I really need to rush. So the last drop of tap water to do updated. Pango still building. And what else did they do? Reader mode works, no works with local HTML pages, screen reader, something, screen reader, Linux. Yeah, you wonder that they've not done this for a decade, but now I also wonder if this is just passing a stack protector, if they've done more. This is this LVM. Okay, that's probably as per the links there that you don't see, but going to an LVM, so this is probably maybe LVM related. Maybe this could have been done previously already in distributions like D2. Developer CSS, image set, responsive images. Looks like that is mostly that, and inactive CSS tool, no showing warning, margin padding. Anyway, so yeah, that's it for that release here in our source distribution. Let's see if Pango hopefully built. No, XV, Pango, no, Pango still didn't build, thank you very much. XDG, half bus, couldn't find half bus. Geo, did we remove? Did we relieve? Did we remove that accidentally? Or, damn, I really wish this continues more successfully here. Job 5 half bus. This is something that we could have deleted. Let's, not sure where that is broken. All the things broken. Half bus. No, this was not in. Strange, it wasn't in X11. I have the feeling that just rebuilding this will not fix this. Anyway, have to rush really. Generating type lib with custom command pango, half bus and XDG data dir, half bus maybe. It sounds wrong version number or half bus. Where is this hanging around? Half bus. Oh, what's this? Doesn't even have a geo. I thought over here something. Share geo. Half bus 00. XDG data dir or. Oh, here maybe it. Maybe it's only using. Maybe we need to set that if it's not set. Yeah, it's not set to everything. Oh man, which of this would this even be? Free desktop, something I really have to go though. XDG, where would that? Okay, grab is our friend XDG. Oh, GTK. Maybe this shouldn't be GTK icon stuff. XDG set for. What did that even do? Set this. Okay, this is iterating over. Oh, right, this is not even setting that. I looked wrong. Apparently this is then not set, I guess. But why is this? Where is this then coming from? Or is it in etc? Is it in etc profile? This was our profile. Profile the GNOME. Oh, we have this in GNOME. Why did I not see that? Or there? Probably should rename this free desktop. Or this is just adding that though. This is why. XD here we have 0 XDG base. Let's user share though. Why is this not? User share. Half Argir. It is user share though. Somehow. Is something resetting this? Nah. What a mess. XDG GNOME something here 0. It's setting that. Maybe something else is then clobbering that. Export etc GNOME, so that would be in which file of GNOME? The dimension I need to rush. Export XTG. Wait a second, here is user share data, user share. No, wait a second, here it's still there. User share GNOME. GNOME. Here is, however, LXDE. Maybe the LXDE thing does here some. Yeah, the LXDE thing does here some garbage thing. Thank you very much. Or let's just that probably fixes that, I guess. And then I need to check what LXDE who can we blame for that? That would be LXD common conf export are here. So that would be that. What? Oh. Alt delete doesn't do that though. Alt does now. Okay, but anyway, and each contribution is amazing and stuff. So this needs not escaping that. So that would be what was not escaping. Was it 2 dashes or something of that sort? While it don't need spaces, and what was not escaping. Let's see how we do that in. But yeah, basically such kind of things I need to check myself. Okay, it's not that though. KDE libs conf, what do we do here? RGB, okay, we do it like that and simply quote that. That is of course also a way to do that. So that would be quoting that. Of course, yeah, could also do differently, but whatever. Okay, we actually need to escape this because we need this prefix to expand. And actually this is also wrong. While this would be this conf dir, I guess like that, and this was in LXDE common, package LXDE. Let's rebuild that and see. LXDE common. Oh, now Pango build, of course, after fixing, so it's actually a real bug. So yeah, as usual, if you find stuff that that you didn't expect to find, it's always something. It's testing, the most testing, and the recurring what CVE more than one. Oh, this is good that we spotted that. What a coincidence, GTK sharp. But you always, so actually I made this my own thing stricter. This is just, no, whatever, it's probably fine. It's just our automatic scripting that edits that another live stream. But yeah, step by step, we get here into the right direction of fixing each and every, like making T2 super great again. etc profile, yeah, I really have to rush, man. You know what? Today's junior bathing day and I'm late. Oh man, I'm a bit farther. Profile D, all for you playing along at home. Okay, I think this still didn't do what it was supposed to do. Shit. Oh wait, no, nonsense. Did I look into the wrong? Looked into the wrong, man. I really have. Okay, we have a double slash there, etc .lxde. The other stuff, so one double slash to still remove. Package LXDE, and then I really rush. LXDE common. Hello, LXDE, man. That would be that one because it's already in this conf dir. And I guess it's fine. I'm not using it anyway, so LXDE common fixed LXDE no clobber. It's both, I guess. Fix XD common, not the clobber XD data dirs or XDG config dirs. In its profile, the hardcoded. Oh, this is also. Okay, let's shorten that. I mean, that's it here the most. Oh, whatever. It's okay, fine. That is probably better than. I hope more stuff builds. There are also some super old Java stuff because who the F cares about Java, right? That's it for today. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And I hope to see you soon. Also more main channel for all the fun vintage, retro, and state-of-the-art stuff to come. And obviously open source Linux.